So being new at school is something you've gone through before.
Yeah, 'cause my dad is in the Army.
Being in the military is an important job.
My dad helps keep people safe.
What was it like when you found out you were going to move this time?
We weren't supposed to move again until next year. That's what my dad said. But then he got orders to come here.
You didn't think you'd be moving again so soon.
No, and now everything's messed up. I have to go to a new school, and I have to come here too because of my mom's new job, and my dad gets back really late now. Mom and Dad are arguing a lot, and I heard them say Dad might get deployed soon. My mom was crying, and I wish we could just go back home.